Hey everybody, it's me, Mrs. Rojo. We are going to make a groundhog word story problem. Fun stuff today. We have been talking about our groundhogs and Groundhog Day, and we have been creating subtraction word problems in our classroom, but just with these sticks and by you standing up and walking away and coming back. So your goal today is to make a word story problem using 10 groundhogs. So by the end of this, you will have a creation showing how to subtract groundhogs from a word story problem. I am going to begin on how to do that. So I created my word story problem, and I'm going to read it because that's the first thing you should do when you're reading a word problem. There were 8 grouchy groundhogs dancing in a den. One groundhog took a break from dancing. How many dancing groundhogs were left in the den? Are you dancing? The groundhogs are dancing. It's great to go back and look through your information and find out what is important in your word problem story. So read with me, everybody. Ready? Here we go. There were 8 grouchy groundhogs dancing in a den. The most important number right here is that there were 8 in total. One groundhog took a break from dancing. So one went somewhere away from the group of the 8. How many dancing groundhogs were left in the den? Were left means to subtract. Subtracting means to take away, to get smaller, to minus. So let's make a plan. In math, it's very important to make a plan. So I'm going to go back in my story, and we started with 8 groundhogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One went away. So I have to show one going away by crossing it out. Now I need to know how many were left. Well, if I had 8 and I crossed one out, 1 less than 8 is 7. So now let's use our equation. 8 groundhogs dancing in the den. 1 groundhog took a break, and that left 7 dancing groundhogs. Let me show you with the sticks that we have been using in the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, I like to work in doubles. Doubles are the easiest numbers to work with in first grade. So I have 4 and 4, and that equals 8. So there were 8 dancing groundhogs, and 1 went away. And that left 7 dancing groundhogs. Now I'm going to use my groundhog papers to again show you how to create the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again working in doubles. 4 and 4 is 8. So if I had 8 dancing groundhogs and 1 went away, I have to be able to show 1 going away or being crossed out. So again, I had 8 in total, 1 went away, and 8 and 1 less is 7 left. All right, so now I'm going to show you your example of what your final project is going to be. And I have my example right here. So again, I put mine in doubles. These are doubles with 5 because you're going to be using 10 groundhogs. So my story said there are 10 groundhogs, so I placed 10 right here. 4 groundhogs went to Taco Bell. Yum, Taco Bell. I wish Taco Bell was for lunch today. Are you out there listening? Are you out there? All right. So we have 4 that went to go eat at Taco Bell, those lucky groundhogs. So we're going to have to show taking 4 away. And if we take 4 away from 10, we have 6 left. So I wrote my equation, 10 subtract 4, that equals 6 left over. Okay, when you're all done writing your groundhog word problem story using the number 10, and you have to take away more than 1, but you can't take away them all. It can't equal 0 in this project. When you have your word problem and you have how many you're taking away, you can go ahead and make your grass, your cloud, your sun, and anything else that you might want to put on here that would look nice. And that's the end of the project. So if you need to come back and review any part that we talked about, you may pause the video now and return to the part where you need more help. All right, have fun.